Welcome.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Michael Paul.
And where are you from?
I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Philly.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
I have had many jobs, but through all of that, I have always been an exotic bird trainer.
An exotic bird trainer?
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow. Okay, wait, so what are you gonna do for us today?
I brought one of the birds that I've been training for quite a few years, and I hope you like it.
Well, without further ado.
Thank you. I'm gonna ask everyone to just have a slightly quieter demeanor at first so we don't spook the end.
I really thought it was going to be real.
I did too.
This is Willie. Willie, say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Very good there, very good. I'd like you to welcome Willie, of course, by saying hello, Willie.
Hello, Willie.
Very good there, nice job, okay. This animal seems very docile in captivity, but in the wild, he is known as a bird of prey. I'm Jewish. You're a little out of control. Remember this? Now, folks, when animals are in a new environment, the biggest problem is obedience. So what a lot of zookeepers and trainers and veterinarians use is a little hypnosis. And this is not a very heavy trance, but when I say sing, he will sing. When I say sleep, he will sleep. When I say crap.
Did that really happen?
This would be a lot easier if you just do more bird things. Hey, I am a master impressionist. That's what my species does. You do jokes, I do impressions. I got it. I could do jokes. I'm sure you could. Could you do an impression? Yes, I could do an impression. Go ahead, do it. What? Do it. All right. I will do an impression, yeah, and then you tell me who I'm doing. Okay. All right, let me think. Kim Kardashian. What? You are tweeting without thinking. Donald Trump. No. It's cheap. It's cheap. Animals, it's a crapshoot. Crapshoot. Come on! All right, now listen, I have an impression. Okay, I am not a professional. That's fine. All right, tell me who this is. Ready? Yeah. Who's this? I did not have sexual relations with that woman. Elton John. I'm gonna do one more and we're done if you don't get it. Fine, this is like the most famous person of all. Okay, ready? Yeah. Who said this? I'll be back. Jesus Christ. Number one, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger, and number two, come on. No. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Simon?
We got completely mugged, right? They think there's going to be a parrot there, and then that thing comes out. I mean, visually, my son Eric would love it. So you kind of appeal to 5-year-olds and me, 35-year-olds. It was fantastic.
Julianne?
That was so much fun. I was laughing hysterically, and he was pooping. I actually loved it so much.
Howie?
I think you just changed your life tonight. I do. You are so good and so funny at what you do. I love you.
So far, this kind of act hasn't really been my jam, but you made it my jelly, my jam, my apple butter. It was so good.
Yes, thank you.
Let's take it to a vote. Simon?
I'm going to say yes.
Thank you.
Julia?
100% yes.
You got 4 yeses.
Yes!